Hi and welcome back to Shawnee Hills. Today I'm going to be building a set of drawers for my family overlay next day project. I'm going to do two drawers side by side, probably equally spaced, about 10 inches tall or so. I want them to be tall enough to cover up the wheel wells. I haven't made any plans or drawn anything up. I'm just going to kind of wing it today. I just want a place to where I can easily organize and store some gear that I keep in the back of here every time we go off-roading or on a family camping trip. First things first, I need to clean this thing out. So as I start to plan how I'm going to do this, there's a few things that I'm looking for and looking at, and I think that even if you're not doing this in a Cherokee, you're going to have similar things to look for. One is tie-down points. If you're ever in a wreck, you don't want this drawer system to fly up and hit people in the back of the head, potentially killing them. So you want to make sure this thing is securely mounted to the vehicle. So as I'm doing my measurements, I'm going to be thinking about where these tie-down points are for me to be able to lock this thing in. Also, any kind of lifts that you got to be able to get over. Once I put this in here, the drawers are going to have to be able to open, and this is higher than the floor, so if I just mount it straight to the floor, it's going to hit these and not open. I'm also looking at how tall and how deep. I can't just measure to the back right here, because depending on how tall I get, the shallower the drawers can be, because this seat is at an angle. Alright, well, I'm going to take some measurements and then get started. Show me what you're doing. Silly kids. think this is where I'm going to stop today. I had enough carpet to carpet the top and the drawer fronts. Still got the sides to do. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do wings or not to fill in the gap, or just carpet the sides. I'm probably going to live with it for a little while and see. Another thought I had is to build up the sides a little higher and make some storage in there. On the passenger side, I did a full depth drawer. And then on the driver's side, I did a shallow drawer with a pull-out work table to set the grill on, or you know, I need a surface just to make a sandwich or something of that nature. Now it's bolted into the factory mounting points in the rear area there, so I don't think it's going to go anywhere. So, I guess we just need to use it now. See you next time.